My controller has a stupid fucking problem. So, everybody knows I play on PS4. Alright, I'm playing some Neo. I just got this for my birthday, like 2 days ago. And then, I try to run. You see that? It fucking... And I killed myself by accident because my controller's acting fucking stupid. But, I found a fucking solution to that. So let me show you. Now you may think, Dan, there might be no fucking solution to this. I mean, seems like you fucked up your controller. Well, it's a pretty common, issue that everybody has. It's called the sprint issue or the L3 error. And basically, what it does is that when you try to sprint in any game, like Call of Duty, Battlefield, I had problems with Bloodborne and Neo. Like, I had problems with all those games. And they would stop, and then go, and then stop and jitter. It's really fucking annoying. Everybody had it. Michael has it. Your probably grandma who plays PS4 has it. Everybody. But I found a solution. Now, there's no bullshit like, oh, you're gonna have to click a bunch of times on this, or you're gonna have to blow in it. No. Grab one of these, dip it into some rubbing alcohol, like this, and then just press down, and like clean all around, and clean out all the dust in it. And do that until you get all the muck and guck out of the crevices of the controller. See, mine's all clean. Alright, so I'm back on Neo. So let's see how the controller will act now. It fucking works now. It actually works. And Leo is pretty happy about that. Right, Leo? Yeah, there we go. Alright, to prove that I'm not lying, there's a controller. There I'm moving around. There, controller, move around. Just let me sprint. No jitter. No more jitter. My solution works. None of the other YouTubers who try to show you other solutions like click on it or blow on it, that does not work. I tried it. My solution works. Alright guys, I hope that fixed your controller problem. It fixed mine. So make sure to like, subscribe, show it to your grandma, beat your meat to it. I don't care. You're supporting me, and Daquan out.